So you're looking to improve your productivity in 2025. Well, this video found you at the perfect time. You see, it's not just about putting in hours and hours of work to achieve the results. You've already tried that and you haven't gotten to where you want to get. So what's the secret? What's the secret that's separating the successful people from you? What is it that they're doing that you're not? Because we all have the same time, and it's how we use that time. So let's think about this in a different way. If you want to improve your productivity, it's never about how much work you put in. It's how much concentrated, focused work. And often that's a small time frame. 2, 4, 6 hours of focused work will always be 12-hour work days every single time. Your work has to be focused. So that's the first step. The second step is to fix your dopamine. Yes, your dopamine is probably fried from all the TikTok, YouTube and Instagram scrolling you've been doing. So, what can we do to fix that? In your work sessions, you probably take breaks, 5-10 minute breaks every 20 minutes or anything like that. In those breaks, you probably scroll or you probably go make some food or have some snacks, and this raises your dopamine. This isn't a big issue. However, if we change it around, we can actually make work feel like fun. See, within our breaks, our 5-10 minute breaks or however long it is, what if we just sat in boredom? What if we just sat and stared at a wall, sat and focused on our breathing and just meditated? What if we did that and just got totally bored? We'd feel excited to start working again because we were just doing nothing and our dopamine levels were so low that doing a piece of work is exciting. This is the hack that will make work feel like fun. It will make you want to work more. Just be so bored and do nothing else that work is the only fun option you have. Now, what's the third thing that we can do to improve our productivity? You've got to be able to find clarity in what you're doing and why you're doing it. If you don't know why you're doing the work that you're doing, there's no hope at all in you getting far. If you have a strong why that's connected to your work, you will show up every single day and put more and more effort, and you'll continue to get better and better. But if your why is coming from external validation or friends or family or whatever it is, there's no real reason in doing it. Your why needs to be internal. Why are you being productive towards this thing? Why are you completing this task? This is so important. Your why can overcome any obstacle if it's strong enough. This is the key. Write down the reason why you want to do these things. Write it down with precise clarity. Ping it up and look at it every single morning. This is why you're working hard. This is why you need to put the work in. It's a reminder to yourself